today we started to going to learn about the nature. Let's start to sing and have some fun. And today we have a little bit fun. And the end of this video has a nature sing songs. Did you hear the songs? The end of this, don't bye-bye, you just sing with me. But now let's start to read a book. Nature. Two young people are talking about art. Do you know a great artist? Asked Avon. I think nature is a great artist, says Emma. Why? Asked her friend Avon. Well, remember seeing the trees in autumn? The leaves change into many colors. Yes, they are really beautiful, answered Avon. That's why I think nature is a great artist, says Emma. The leaves are beautiful. Okay, everyone, let's sing a song said about autumn and nature. Let's put the book here and see. Let's see. Nature. Nope. Oh! Started to sing. I'm ready to sing about autumn. It's time to think about something about autumn and the nature. I want to sing with you tomorrow and have something to open the eyes. Have some look about the body and having look to autumn. While there, it's the leaves come down, it's the leaves come down. Oh, there! It's the leaf come down. You are starting to sing. It's fun! Bye-bye, everyone!